Gloria. Gloria. Send in the next one.
Good morning, sir. My name is.
Hey, wait. No, me have your file. No need. Me have your files. Alright now, John Brown. So why do you really need this job?
So, sir, the reason why.
And hey, before you go there, don't come and tell me that you're broke or you want money. Give me some good answers.
Oh, God, no, this a man like him, read my mind. When me I go try to tell him, so when me can't lie, boy. Sticky right now, God help me. Oh, God, man. Oh, if you have glasses, man. When me I go tell him, say, make up something, come, make up something. Come in, God help me. Sir, my grandmother dead.
Oh God, man. God.
I mean, I know nobody if bury her.
Stop it balling. Stop it balling. Me I go see what me can do for you.
Okay, sir.
Sad indeed. Okay, John. So, John, tell me a little about your strength.
So, my strength now, is, me can mix concrete, me can cast cement, me can shove mall in a wheelbarrow. Me can do a lot of things, sir.
Wait, John, wait no man. Me not talk about concrete, cement, mall, something. Me talk about. So, John, what is your weakness in the working world?
Me got a doctor. Doctor say me have arthritis in my knee.
John, no, John. Me not talk about no doctor, John. What you?
I know my toe, so me can't walk long and me can't work too hard on the knee, you know? Me can't work too hard on the knee.
So, John, again, tell me now, where do you see yourself in the next 10 to 15 years?
Alright, so me see myself in the next 10 to 15 years. Might be me me don't know, might be me still a mix concrete.
Alright, John. Alright.
Me still a mix concrete
Alright.
or shub mall or something.
Okay, John, before we close out this session, do you have anything regarding to the interview you want to ask me?
Yes, boss. Boss, wanna give me free food?